Okay, here's everybody. Of course, it's as quiet as can be until I come out, and then everybody has to bark. As soon as the human enters the equation, the pack harmony is disrupted because they are vying for my attention. They're all spunky. They're all spunky today. It's a chilly, overcast Thanksgiving Eve. Yes, little girl. And we'll have a video of Charlie and Maru and the rest of the little dogs after this one. We've got the bigs and the littles separated today. So we've got quite the crowd. This is one of our busiest weeks of the year here at Dog Bone Ranch. Oh, Speedy likes Tanner. Speedy likes Tanner, and Tanner is so sweet. Cody, you're so sweet too. Everybody's sweet. Yes, 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 everybody. Okay. There's Schultz out there. There's Jessie Jane and Nash and Bear. There's DeWade and Speedy and our still skeletal homeless girl that we're still trying to fatten up and find a home for, and Tanner. And there's Callie and Kenji and Chief and Diesel. And there's Arthur. And there's Speedy, and there's little Luna, and there's Dakota. And there's Browser, and Rozzy, and Nash, and there's Lola. There's Gussie. Yay, Callie's found somebody to play tug of war with her. Chief says, I'm not letting go no matter what. Listen to little Charlie. That's that little schnauzer. He says, "Me don't want to be with the little dogs." These are our Thanksgiving guests. And they are just a wonderful bunch of sweethearts. Whoa! See, now that I've been out here for a while, it's quieted down a little bit. This is how normally it is. Just nice and quiet. Till the mailman comes. Who wants a stick? They're just busy. They're just busy. Busy, busy, busy.